So we start off today's video with someone who has mid-length hair. And the stylist cuts the hair into a bob haircut. Oh, this is beautiful. She does have the bottleneck bangs going there in the front. A lot of texture. Absolutely stunning bob makeover. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So we move on over to the next one. She starts off with mid-length hair. And the stylist once again cuts the hair into a bob. Wow, absolutely stunning jaw length bob haircut. I think the color looks unreal. Very nicely done. And then we have a bit of a 90s inspired hairstyle with this layered haircut. I love her red hair color. This is just so pretty. Perfect shade of copper. And then we move into another hair transformation. Oh, wow. Another gorgeous copper hair color change. Oh, this is beautiful. And then we see someone else who decided to go copper. And as you guys know, this is by far one of the hottest hair trends that we are seeing this fall 2023 season. Very nice. So here we have someone with long mid-length hair. Ooh, very nice chic shoulder length bob style. Very nice. Alright you guys, so I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.